Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. Today is going to be a quick 2-minute video on how to do a quick chin wrap. And what this does, this just gives your face more of a defined look, and it allows you to have more of a face with better definition. All you're going to need is scissors, vapor rub and cling film. And if you want a longer version to this video, please look at my other video where I actually used tights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by applying the vapor rub underneath my chin. And this just allows you to sweat a bit more under there, and then just burn away those fat cells. Why is it getting stuck? Oh my gosh. And there we go. That is your 2-minute chin wrap to get rid of your double chin and give you more of a defined face. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and press that bell.